So today we are going to continue our lesson on differential equation. So today we are going to learn how to solve a differential equation that we cannot separate x from y. So before this, what we did is we separate x from y and then we integrate both sides and then we can find the answer. But sometimes they will give you question in which you cannot separate x from y. For example, like this question, x dy dx plus 3y equals to 4x plus 6. How you try macam mana pun, you cannot separate x from y. You cannot make it y on one side, x on one side. Dia macam memang tak boleh lah for this one. So how do we solve question like that? Soalan macam tu, we will solve by using these steps. Okay, dia memang kena ikut exactly this step baru boleh solve. So this step actually you kena hafal. Okay, so this example I took is from your textbook, example 10.7. Okay, so jom kita try by example. We apply all these steps, nanti you see that kita akan solve this differential equation. Okay, so first step you see here, it says that we need to free dy dx. So what does it mean by freeing dy dx? It means that your dy dx must stand alone. Tak boleh ada nombor sebelah dia ataupun variable ke whatever. So here we see our question got x beside it. So how to remove the x? We will times with 1 over x. So I salin dulu our question. X dy dx plus 3y equals to 4x plus 6. So how to get rid? We will times with 1 over x. So bila times 1 over x, I will get dy dx plus 3y over x equals to 4 plus 6 over x. So this part done. We already free dy dx. And then we see here also dia cakap write in the form of dy dx plus py equals to q. So what does it mean? This means is that they want mesti ada dy dx and then mesti ada a function of x times dengan y sama dengan another function of x. So this our equation ni I can write macam ni tau, dy dx plus 3 over xy, kan sama je, sama dengan 4 plus 6 over x. So I see here sama tak macam ni, I ada dy dx, I ada dy dx, I ada y, sini pun I ada y. P ni apa? P a function of x. This one 3 over x is a function of x. Q another function of x. Here 4 plus 6 over x is another function of x. So this one I dah buat step 1. Okay, next part is step 2. Find the integrating factor. So this one is new term. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is equals to IF, integrating factor is equals to e to the power of the integral of what? Of p. P ni apa maksudnya? The function sebelah y. Function sebelah y is 3 over x. So itu adalah your integrating factor, e to the power of integral function sebelah y. Okay, then we see our integrating factor ni kita boleh simplify. Atas ni kita boleh integrate. So e I keluarkan 3, so jadi 1 over x macam tu, which is equals to e 3 integrate 1 over x is a ln x. This one sama juga, then e to the power of ln x cube, bawa 3 jadi power. So ni sama juga dengan bila e ln cancel maksudnya x cube. Therefore your integrating factor is x cube. Okay, so second part done. Kita dah find integrating factor, which is x cube. Next is multiply by integrating factor. What does this mean? Multiply by integrating factor, kita akan multiply the function just before you find your integrating factor. Yang ni, function ni. Okay, just before you find integrating function ni, kita akan times dengan our integrating factor, which is x cube. So first I salin dulu yang ni, dy dx plus 3 over xy equals to 4 plus 6 over x. I will times everything by my integrating factor x cube. So ni akan jadi dy dx x cube plus 3 over x y x cube plus equals to 4x cube plus 6 over x cube. So ni cancel, tinggal 2, ni cancel also tinggal 2. So this is dy dx x cube plus 3y x square equals to 4x cube plus 6x square. Okay, so this part done. Multiply by integrating factor. Next is combine left hand side of the equation. Mana left hand side? This is left hand side, this is right hand side. So left hand side is this one. Kita nak combine yang ni. Macam mana nak combine? Just use this step. You akan letak d dx, okay? First letak d dx and then letak y and then letak the integrating factor. Okay, so now ni you dah combine ni. Sama dengan 4x cube plus 6x square. Okay, left hand side ni you combine, you akan dapat ni. Okay, so now I explain kenapa kita combine left hand side, kita dapat ni. So so tadi I cakap kalau combine dia dapat ni kan. So buat dekat sini. So I salin ni d dx y x cube. Ni maksudnya apa? Maksudnya differentiate y x cube. So cuba I try differentiate y x cube berapa. Ni kena guna product rule. So y stay, x cube differentiate 3x square plus x cube stay, y differentiate is dy dx. So I see bila I differentiate y x cube, I akan dapat 3x square y plus x cube dy dx, which is sama dengan ni. Nampak tak? Dy dx x cube plus 3y x square. Okay, so maksudnya what happen bila step kita combine tu adalah kita reverse product dulu. Okay? Tapi formula untuk reverse product tu just senang je. Just letak d dx, letak y, letak d dx, letak y and then letak integrating factor. You akan dapat balik atas tu. Tapi just in case you tak sure, you boleh check dengan do this product rule, dapat tak atas. Okay? So now kita dah faham tu, kita dah faham kenapa kita combine dapat macam tu. Kita teruskan perjalanan kita. Oops. Okay. Okay. Teruskan, which is bring dx to right hand side. Ni ada dx kan? Dia suruh bawa pergi right hand side. So y x cube equals to 4x cube plus 6x square bring dx. Then dia cakap integrate. Maksudnya integrate right hand side. Okay. So kita sambung. Kita akan dapat yx cube equals to, integrate ni dapat apa? Integrate 4x cube is 4x to the power of 4 over 4 plus integrate 6x square is 6x cube over 3 plus c. Ini boleh cancel, ini boleh tinggal jadi 2. So it's yx cube equals to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus c. So kita nak make y the subject, divide throughout by x cube, akan dapat x plus 2 plus c over x cube. So this is your final answer. Okay, so memang kalau nak buat this kind of question, memang you kena go through all this step. Okay, memang kena ikut exactly. In the next video, I akan ajar macam mana nak hafal.